Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever notice how some things just repeat over and over, like your favorite dance moves? Well, today, we're going to crack the code of creating cool patterns. Get ready for some colorful fun!
Mama, look at these squares. They're pink, brown, and white. It looks so neat and colorful. It's like the colors are taking turns in a line. How did they do that?
That's called a pattern. When you repeat colors, shapes, or designs in a certain order, you create a pattern.
Patterns? Can we make our own, too?
Of course. Patterns are everywhere, on blankets, in clothes, and even in nature.
Mama, look! The flowers are in a pattern, too. Pink, yellow, pink, yellow. And the veins on this leaf look like zigzag lines. Nature makes its own patterns.
Exactly. Patterns are everywhere in nature. Look at the trees, their trunks have lines, and the branches grow in repeating shapes. Let's start with a simple pattern. First, choose two shapes. Saro, you go first.
I'll choose a circle and a square.
Great choice. Now draw them in a line, square, circle, and repeat it across the page.
Wow! It's square, circle, square, circle. That looks fun! I'll try triangle, circle, triangle, circle.
Those look beautiful. Patterns like these make everything look organized and fun.
Now it's the time for quiz. What comes next in this pattern? Option A, orange circle. Option B, blue circle. Look at how the colors are repeating in the same order. Option A is correct, which shows an orange circle. Which picture shows the correct way to continue this pattern? Option A, a circle. Option B, a triangle. The pattern repeats a triangle followed by a circle. Excellent. Option B shows a triangle followed by a circle in the given pattern. Which picture shows a simple ABAB pattern using lines? Option A, a pattern of a straight line, wavy line, straight line, wavy line. Option B, a pattern of a straight line, zigzag line, wavy line. ABAB means the first and second types of lines repeat in the same order. Option A is correct. Good job! A color pattern can repeat using the same two colors in different orders. Is this statement true or false? Think about how patterns can change but still repeat. Perfect. This statement is true. A pattern must always have 3 different shapes. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. Patterns can be made using just 2 shapes. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll be shaping up some fun with paper and glue. Stay tuned for more crafty adventures. Until then, keep your scissors sharp and your imagination sharper. See you soon for our next creation.